Hey, so here's another update on my aquaponics system. I just got done putting some more plants into the system, so I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a look. Here's the money plant, the original happy plant. As you can see, it's propped up and it's having itself a great time over there. Here are two new basil plants that I've put in. You can see they already, they've just gotten, all of these plants have just been put in. The basil and the new chilies have been put in about 10-15 minutes ago. These basil plants came from this pot right here, which is growing happy basil. So those two have gone in next to the money plant. Here are some new chilies that I've put in. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 of these plants here. So they've gone in, and here is another 4 of a different kind of chili that have gone in. The lemon cutting is still doing very lacklusterly. It's still got no life at all to it, but I think there's a ray of hope. I pulled it out and seemed to be what looked like the beginnings of roots, so let's hope for the best there. Here is the older chili plant that's been there for longer and that had lost all of its leaves. It's doing quite happily now, and right next to it is a brother sister plant, whatever you want to call it, that was growing in a pot. That's also been put down next to it. And here's that money plant cutting that has yet to take off or die. Very strange. So now, okay, we've got lots of chilies in this chili grow bed right here. 1, 2, 3 different types of them, and a lemon cutting. So let's see how that one goes. It will be interesting to see the pace at which these plants go off now compared to the dirt garden. And here's the money plant and some of the basil. Regards the fish, here they are. There's still 11 fish, but another fish tried to escape or commit suicide or did a stupid thing, whatever you want to call it, again in the afternoon. Today I fed them at around 2ish, and they all fed very voraciously then. After that, when I came up right now, a couple of hours after that, like 3:30ish, I counted only 10 fish. And you see those rocks down there? Stupid little thing had managed to get stuck under the rocks in between them and the pipe, so I let it out, and it's still alive. It is, I can't really point it out right now exactly which one it is, but I think it's that one on the bottom over there. Other than that, you can see they're quite happy. What I've done now is I've put some more rocks in there and piled them up quite high, hoping that finally now the SLO will stop murdering the fish. And I've put in another little PVC pipe there for them to play in. So hopefully they'll have some more stuff to do, and the system should start taking off anytime soon now. Let me know what you guys think of this update, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.